What's up guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add Microsoft Bing wallpaper to your computer. Microsoft Bing wallpaper shows you lots of different pictures around the world. So let's get started. So first of all, go on to Microsoft Edge and then go on to Microsoft Wallpaper. This is the link. The link is in the description too. And then after that you can press install now, and then it's installing. So you can press, so after it's download you can side click and press open. So I downloaded it. After you download it, then it'll install, and then after that some wallpapers are going to show up, and then they're going to change every single day. There's going to be one like this in the Lofoten Islands, Norway. There's going to be like lots of them. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and then like the video. Goodbye.